Hello dear, this is Ali from Alinas. As you know, last tutorial we watched that one how introducing for spare. Just we open no spare, so we continue our work. Anyway, one thing is if you know anybody in spare, just visit Alinas. Alinas, yeah. Alinas, see that the camera. I will keep in description. Go for tutorial there. Anyway, you can find here 3D 2D everything design you can find in free without cost. Okay, spy, I'll keep in description link. Okay, you can download and there is video you can watch how to install it. Okay, leave it. Send we are working last time with no introduction how to do that one, how it's working, create file that one. Now we're going to work first one, so how to create that door. Okay, so first of okay, fine. So where is, yes, create new file, single bed. Yesterday already we last tutorial we're talking how to that one create that one. Okay, 120 width. I keep one time. I working 10. Okay, that 136 thickness. Okay. Okay, there is two way. Now you can import from here, import to bitmap, and second you have option here to that one drag and drop, so directly. See that one coming. Okay, delete that one, first one, and second import bitmap. Oh yeah, yes. Click on that one only. Keep hold shape and make it bigger. When you want to move anywhere, if like that, see very good. If you press hold alt, then you make a line. Okay, there is main point. Most people what they do, and mostly in market I see the people what they do. There's someone person come, they share the picture, and he give the sizes. So he follow that picture. What he doing? He quickly starting tracing. Tracing means land working. For example, I starting quickly. For example, like that. Like that. He doing most. I just example. Not that one we are going to do. Just example give you. Here going to quickly doing like that work. Example, I will complete that one. It's better to understand. I don't want someone there is no understanding, so it's better. I don't want to understand. Everybody is beginner, so they know. Okay, so I just explain you. So there is they make only just theirs own. Say there is on what they do their circle fall. I give you example that not we are going to do that some work. There's the main area. Then center we have that one. See that already designed ready. But you will see this one simply drag and drop single. It's design not looking, not I asking for body things. You see that was similar, not that one, that one. Mostly people do like that. That's not good way. You create one because every person have that one who do his own size, but you want to go create his or your sizes. So we go for that one. Create a rectangle. You can enter here manually. Up to you, no problem. You can manually select and snip when you open. Then you create manually, and you can enter here value. Apply. Close it. Where rectangle out. This is the main side. That is okay. Now is main how much that border. We create that border. For example, I think go for offset. 15 no. Okay, 15, okay. Oh sorry, not 15. The 10 and we need to go 150. That not both side. We go inward only. Yes, I think it's look nice. That we are button okay. We go working on for that one on center align that one. This start working. So for example, I want to keep their center first example. Depend everybody have on depend that one. I go for there and line also. Is that only line reference? Not there is not important. Okay. This line that line we need to circle it. Let's see either how much I will keep other offset. Circuloid, that's enough. I think enough. Okay, fine. Then what we will do, there's two options. You can keep that one. For example, double click on that one. Select here, from select here. That on reference line we need to know where we're working. It's not important, but need to know. So, okay, leave it, but I don't go for that one because some lines from here, from there, that's why I go for a line. Click here. Again. Click here. Okay, I have a circle starting from there. From here, from there. See here to here. Okay, see there's not for circle, but it's fine. So go from here. Okay, but it's right on left click when you click is already done. Only click on right click, double, first one, double, touch from there, touch from bottom. Where design is see here where is finish, where keep that area from that line. There. You will see this is you follow that because the reference line. See here's that one. I think it's okay, but we keep it little down from there. Then after when you click that one, to click first shift outer line, go for line, and you have their option center. Oh sorry. Okay, align, close it. Then click on it, offset. We keep it 15. Sorry, we go for both side. You will see here. Okay, no problem. Reference line would delete it. Click on it. Then after click, move from there. Click. You have maximum room. Keep in alt always. Alt is align. No need to line go up and down. You will see the top line. No need to that time alt on just drag and drop. Drop and bottom. Fantastic. Yes, that's line we are already we created that rectangle. That one. Okay. Then first click shape, second click. We go mirror command. That's a master point. Or we go only flip horizontal. They will keep it best automatically. See, this automatically will become quickly. No need to make something. It's okay. Now what we do? Clear, delete that one. Delete that one. Delete that one. See that shape only center we have. Then what we do? Just we keep a line from here. Line center to keep it alt, it will become a line. No need to mini. Okay, well, no need want that line, remove it. That already line available there, you can see. Only just make it. Okay, just make it copy paste. When you make copy paste, press Alt plus Control. It should become a line. Okay, then we go offset. What we do the 15 both side, then it close that line, select both line. Do one thing here, just when you click, make a double click, make little extend, because we want to later on trim that one. When you make copy, must just select first one, after make Alt and Control both together, make it automatic will be okay. And there is option also, you can make mirror, depend on you. Okay, see that then we all full. Then go for trim, outer, 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 outer. Yeah, that's fantastic. Yes, close it, close, remove, 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 remove. Then remove, 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 remove. Yes, great. Then remove that line, that line, that line, that line. Oh, because I keep it slowly because you can understand, so I don't want to make quickly. Remove, remove, oh, sorry, remove, 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 remove. Okay, then the bottom side, remove, remove. Yes. No, you can see there, then the similar to that one. Close it. One part, outer line, second part, first part, second part, all is similar for everyone, but if we are size is bigger than for that one width wise, so it's little different size, but it's okay. You can see it's okay this time. Not a problem. We'll see next video how to that we create toolpath for. I will do that one everything, but we import what we're doing. We make complete part and second we get working. See you next time. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, share your friend. Take care. See you later. Thank you.